Think your small business website is just about looking pretty? Think again. A stunning website can actually make or break your business. Imagine visitors landing on your site, and bam, they get lost in confusing menus or slow-loading pages. They're gone in seconds. But here's the twist. A fast, mobile-friendly site with crystal-clear navigation can turn casual visitors into loyal customers. Picture this. Sleek visuals that scream your brand, intuitive buttons saying, "Buy now," or "Get a quote" that you can't ignore. That's power. Did you know 88% of people won't come back after a bad website experience? That's huge. Responsive design isn't just a buzzword. It's your secret weapon to catch users on phones, tablets, or desktops. Fast loading? That keeps them hooked in the first 3 seconds. SEO? That's how your site gets found in the ocean of the internet. So, what's your website saying about you right now? Is it helping your business grow or silently pushing customers away? Ready to explode your online presence? Think UX, speed, and killer CTAs. Your website isn't just a site. It's your digital storefront. What's stopping you from making it unforgettable?